Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be getting on with Paul's Bongo before he gets very busy for Christmas. As you can tell, we've got a busy day coming up. And before you say anything, it's been a year since we put the last video up, so we're nothing if we're not consistent. Alright, let's show you this Bongo anyway. So, it's been for an MOT and they failed it, needs some welding. So we'll have a look under here. As you can see, some of it's really bad. Stick around and see how we get on with fixing it. Right, well after I hit with the wire wheel, you can see there's some patches have already been done which are still quite solid, and then obviously quite a lot of rust. If you follow us on Instagram, you'll see that we did one last year and it's all pretty much the same. Must be the common places for these to rot out, so we're gonna have to get on now and get some steel cut, get this lot of rot cut out and get the new pieces put in. Right, so as you'll have seen, hopefully through that little bit of time lapse, we've got the front section done. So we're just going to crack on now and get on with the back section, and we'll show you everything when we're finished. Right, well it's nearly 9:30 at night now, and that's it, done. We've got everything welded in. Some of it's not the prettiest, but it's all strong. Should get through its MOT now. If you like what we're doing, make sure you give us a thumbs up. We're going to go and get tidied up and try and get home. Any comments, leave them in the comments and we'll read them and try and get back to you. Thanks for watching. It's flashing.
It's flashing?
Flashing that now.
Does that mean we're watching?
That means we're being recorded, so we'll have to go silent for a second and then we can start talking. That way makes it way easier for me to edit the video then. Because otherwise I'm like right up to the last second trying to get it and you're going it's like fuck!